This is gonna sound weird, but I researched shower heads so you don't have to. I looked at places like Lowe's, Home Depot, Ferguson Home Gallery, and even Amazon, and here's what I found. After all my research, I would have to say that Home Depot has the cheapest prices but the least amount of options. Floor and Decor, their gallery is just very limited. I've never heard of any of the brands that they sell. I'm not saying they're bad. I'm just saying I'm not familiar with them, and it just wasn't not a great selection where I'm located. The Ferguson was just priced too high. Every component of their shower heads was individually priced. So after you total it all up, your whole kit for exactly what you saw on the wall in the display could cost you thousands of dollars. With the lead time being what it is, it just took it out of the picture for me. I'd say that Amazon has the most options with the decent prices. Just stay away from the Chinese brands when it comes to faucets and shower heads and things like that. They're expensive for a reason. The internal components, you don't want those going bad. Imagine if you had to pull out a mixing valve out of your shower after you've just tiled the whole thing and spent tens and tens of thousands of dollars getting your bathroom remodeled. That would be horrible. I want to try to do it right the first time. I recommend getting an American brand on Amazon, or picking one of the few selections they do have at Lowe's and Home Depot. At least those parts are on the shelf, sold on the shelf, and they're not that hard to find. I left a link in the description of which shower head I went with. If you're interested in checking that out, feel free to do. If you don't know me, my name is Joey. I'm a full-time home renovator and currently working on a 1950s cottage, and we're building it back up. I welcome you to follow me on this journey, and until next time, I hope this helps.